get you an update now on the sex scandal that has gripped Indian politics. Prajwal Revanna, that case has exploded. There's been a row over Prajwal Revanna absconding. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has now blamed former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda and said that Deve Gowda planned and sent Prajwal Revanna abroad. Remember, there have been reports that Revanna has flown away to Germany. There are unconfirmed reports amid the alleged sex scandal and the case against him. He's also been suspended by the party till the SIT investigates this case and reaches a logical conclusion in this. But the latest being that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has now blamed former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda for planning and helping Prajwal Revanna fly out of the country.
ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ವೀಸಾ ಕೊಡೋರು ಯಾರು ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೊಂಟೋದಾರ ಹೌದು ದೇವೇಗೌಡರೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಈಗ SIT ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ,
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸಂತ್ರಸ್ತರು ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ. ಈಗ ನಾನೇ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಊಹೆ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ. ನಾವು SIT ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನಾವು ರಾಜಕೀಯವಾಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ.
My colleague Neha has been tracking this for us. Let me go across to her and understand what has been the response from H.D. Deve Gowda, if there has been any yet. Neha, this controversy clearly not ending anytime soon, but in the latest, of course, the Chief Minister accusing the former Prime Minister Deve Gowda of helping Prajwal Revanna flee the country. Has there been any response from Deve Gowda yet?
Well, Shreya, so far we've not really heard from the former Prime Minister of the country, H.D. Deve Gowda, on this entire controversy. Of course, in the latest, we're seeing that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah there going on to attack Deve Gowda, saying that, in fact, he was responsible, that he helped his grandson flee the country. Remember, of course, we've seen the Congress party earlier as well, not only attacking the centre, but now, in fact, even H.D. Deve Gowda. This is the first time that Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has spoken on this entire controversy, and he's not mincing his word. He's making a very sharp attack there. Earlier as well, we've seen Congress leaders blaming the central government for allowing, Prajwal Revanna there to flee the country just hours after the voting in the district of Hassan, where he's contesting from, ended. While it's one thing, of course, to politicize the entire issue and the war of words that's now broken out, but the other, of course, over here is the fact that we're seeing the SIT that's been formed is continuing its investigation. Notices have been issued. H.D. Revanna, of course, has been summoned before the SIT before 11 a.m. tomorrow. We'll have to see how that goes.
Right, now stay with us as we get our viewers another update from this row over the obscene